After classical approach, we have axiomatic approach, which was introduced by Kolmogorov, and then relative frequency approach. And conditional probability is very important. Probability of A given B will be equal to probability of A intersection B over probability of B. That given will be in the denominator. And if you have probability of B given A, that will be probability of A intersection B over probability of A. And probability of A given A will be equal to 1. Probability of B given B will be equal to 1. Probability of A given A. How will you find out probability of A intersection A over probability of A? Probability of A intersection A will be probability of A over probability of A, and that will be 1. After that, I will discuss for random variable. Very important questions for random variable. Distribution function is always equal to probability of x less than equal to x. And if you want to find out probability of A less than equal to x less than x less than equal to B, that will be equal to f of B minus f of A. Then binomial distribution, its range is 0 to small n, and it has 4 properties. Trials are independent, trials are fixed, probability of success is constant, and there are 2 only outcomes, success and failure. And its MGF is Q plus P into e raised power t whole power n. Its mean is NP, its variance is NPQ. Mean is always greater than its variance. Standard deviation will be NPQ under the root. These are the important questions. It has 2 parameters, n and p. In hypergeometric, we have 3 parameters, n, and k. P will be equal to k over capital N. Its mean will be n k over n, and variance will be equal to n k over n, and 1 minus k over n multiply n minus n over n minus 1, and that portion will be n minus k over n. Then the Poisson distribution, and the random variable will take 0 to infinity. That will be the range of the Poisson random variable. Poisson is the limiting form of the binomial distribution. Its mean will be mu equal to variance, and its probability distribution is e raised to power minus mu raised to power x over x factorial. Then normal distribution. In normal, mean is equal to median is equal to mode. Normal will take minus range minus infinity to plus infinity, and mean deviation will be equal to 0.7979 sigma. Quartile deviation will be equal to 0.6745 sigma. Q1 will be equal to mu minus 0.6745 sigma. Q3 will be equal to mu plus 0.6745 sigma, and the points of reflection are mu plus minus sigma. Very, very important questions. Now I will discuss important questions for regression. It was introduced by Sir Francis Galton in 1877. The equation is y cap is equal to a plus bx. B is the regression coefficient. Its range is minus infinity to plus infinity. A is the intercept. The value of y, the dependent variable's value, when all independent variables are 0, and b tells us the change in y for the per unit change in x. Now the properties of byx is not equal to bxy. If byx is greater than 1, bxy is less than 1, and both have always same sign. And very, very important question, B is independent of origin. it is not affected by plus or minus, but that is affected by scale, multiply and divide. Then r is equal to byx multiply bxy under the root. R is the correlation coefficient, its range is -1 to +1, and it is the geometric mean between two regression coefficients. This is the range, and ryx is equal to rxy. It is a pure number, it has no unit, pure number. And a very important question, it is independent of origin as well as scale. B was independent of origin but not scale, but R is independent of origin and scale. Then Spearman's rank correlation coefficient RS, that is equal to 1 minus 6 summation d square over n into n square minus 1. And a very important question, RS will be equal to 1 if that summation d square is equal to 0. Because 0 into 6, 0, 0 over something 0, and that will be 1, and its range will be -1 to +1. A very, very important question. Then the range of partial correlation. Range of partial correlation is -1 to +1, and for multiple that will be 0 to +1. R square has range, coefficient of determination 0 to +1. Very, very important question. Negative binomial distribution. Actually, whenever we have trials are independent, there are two possible outcomes. But what is the difference between binomial and binomial and negative? In binomial, trials are fixed and number of successes are not fixed, but in negative binomial, trials are not fixed, number of successes are fixed, and it is the extension of geometric distribution. Whenever we need only one success, we use geometric distribution instead of negative binomial distribution. Very important, coefficient of concordance. It was introduced by Kandal and its range is 0 to +1. Now, I will discuss some important points for sampling. In sampling, we have sample, a part of the population. Population is the totality of all the units, and it has some types. One is target population, about which we want to draw conclusions, that is target population. Sampled population, from which we take the sample, that is sampled population. Then concrete population, whose elements are concrete, that will be physical population. And then hypothetical population, when the outcomes do not exist, but we can assume, for example, we toss a coin and we can assume its outcomes, that will be hypothetical population. In sampling, there are two techniques, probability sampling and non-probability. In probability, we have simple random sampling, and very important question, in this sampling, every unit has an equal chance of being selected in the sample, and there are some methods for drawing sample from simple random sampling, and that is computer method, Fisher-Bowl method, random number table method.